can make your own sweet corn. Hello guys, it's your girl Real Betty B. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, special welcome. And if you are yet to subscribe, please do want to subscribe. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make sweet corn. So guys, let's get started. And this is it. I will wash and cook afterwards. For watching, please give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and remember to turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Until next time, see you.